Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync Obsidian with Anki. So this is helpful because it lets you turn your Obsidian notes into flashcards for easier studying. So let's get started. So first, I want you to open Obsidian and select the vault where your notes are saved. Then click the settings icon in the lower left corner and open Community Plugins. If this option is disabled, follow the prompts to enable it. Next, click Browse and search for Anki. Choose a plugin that can create or sync Anki cards from your notes, and then read the description, click install, and then select enable. After that, open the plugin settings if available, and you can configure options such as your default deck, tags, and card format. And once everything is set, return to your notes. Now, open your browser and download Anki from its official website. Install and launch the desktop app. Keep Anki open because many Obsidian plugins need it running to connect properly. So create a test node using the correct plugin format, then sync it to Anki and check your selected deck. If it does not appear, make sure Anki is open and review the plugin settings. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.